Hello friends, in today's video we are going to study chapter 1 India size and location of geography of class 9. Our main aim is to cover this whole chapter only in one part. In fact it is a very short chapter, so let's get started. India is an ancient civilization, but now it is a developing nation. It has shown remarkable progress in various fields. Now we are going to study about its location. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. India's mainland extends between 8° 4 north and 37° 8 north latitudes and 68° 7 east and 97° 25 east longitudes. On latitudes, it extends between 8° 4 north and 37° 8 north. On longitudes, it is 67° 25 east. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two almost equal parts, which is at 23° 30 north. The island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar are also part of India. In fact, they does not lie in India, but they are also considered as a part of India. Size. Covering an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, India's total area is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the world's 7th largest country with a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, with total length of the coastline being 7,516.6 kilometers. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. India's latitudinal and longitudinal extent is about 30 degrees. India's standard time is based on 82.30 degrees east meridian, which passes near Mirzapur in UP. Latitudinal extent influences duration of the day and night, India and the world. The Indian landmass is certainly located between West and East Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes connect countries in the west and countries in the east. India's producing Deccan Peninsula helped India to establish close contacts with West Asia, Africa and Europe, Southeast and East Asia. India's contacts with the world via land routes are much more than her maritime contacts. India is the only nation which has ocean named after it. India has contributed a lot to the world in forms of ideas, philosophies, Upanishads, Ramayana, Panchtatra and mathematics, Indian numeral and decimal system. In exchange, India's architecture was influenced by Greek culture and architectural styles from West Asia. India's neighbors. India has an important position in South Asia and has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Bhutan. The southern neighbor across the sea consists of the two island countries, namely Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pak Strait, a narrow strip of sea. India always have and had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. India stands apart from the rest of Asia. So here our chapter ended. See you in the next chapter. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.